Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Dodge Charger RT faster. Let's start with some straightforward modifications that can significantly boost your car's performance without breaking the bank. A cold air intake allows your engine to breathe more efficiently, while a performance exhaust system reduces back pressure, freeing up horsepower. Finally, an engine tune optimizes fuel delivery and ignition timing for noticeable gains. These are excellent first steps for any enthusiast. Ready to take your Charger RT's speed to the next level? More advanced modifications can deliver substantial power increases. Installing a supercharger is a popular choice, adding hundreds of horsepower. Upgrading the camshaft can optimize valve timing and lift, further enhancing engine performance. Remember, with significant power increases, reinforcing your drivetrain components, like axles and the transmission, becomes crucial for reliability and safety. Speed isn't just about raw power, it's also about control. Enhancing your Charger RT's handling and braking is vital. Performance suspension kits, including coilovers and sway bars, will improve cornering stability and responsiveness. Upgrading to high-performance brake pads and rotors, or even a big brake kit, ensures you can stop effectively from higher speeds. Additionally, reducing overall vehicle weight can contribute to both quicker acceleration and improved agility. To truly optimize your Dodge Charger RT's performance, don't overlook the fundamentals. Regular maintenance with premium engine oil and fluids is essential for longevity and consistent power. High-performance tires are critical for translating horsepower into forward motion, providing the necessary grip for acceleration and cornering. And speaking of efficiency, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the leak-proof meal prep containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Proper care and the right tires make a huge difference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.